Hey, money makers! I want to show you a training I recently put together of some of my best affiliate offers working right now in 2023. Now, while I am a big fan of teaching you to promote PWA, I'm an even bigger fan of you finding additional affiliate offers to promote. Why? It's all about building an ecosystem. When you sell just one product, you're at the mercy of that product. What do I mean? It means you always need to find more and more customers to build a full-time income. But when you find multiple offers that stack one on top of another, then the revenue generated per customer goes up. Makes sense? Not only that, if you add in affiliate offers that include recurring commissions, at a certain point you no longer need to find new customers, if you don't want to. You can simply cash in on the passive income you'll receive from these recurring commissions. The best part? All of these offers are part of the PWA program. So if you promote PWA, you automatically promote these as well, without even trying. Here's a link to the training in the description. All the best!